Hi my love, you are highly welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to refill a bad closure. My client sent in this weak closure. As you can see, this closure is badly ripped. Like you can see how the front looks like. So this is the after I was done filling it. I showed the full detailed tutorial on this video. So right now I'm separating the hair I'm going to use. I cut hair from the back of this wig. Okay, so I'm just going to be refilling this closure. I'm just going to be ventilating hair anywhere that is scanty. Okay, just watch closely, you are going to understand what I'm doing. This video is very detailed. I'm not going to say much. I'm just going to leave you to watch this video to the end. Make sure you press the like button, share, comment, subscribe if you've not, and you drop a video request. Okay, make sure that you're subscribed to my channel. If you are a wig and hair lover, you're going to learn a lot from this channel. Okay, so make sure that you press the like button of my video, like, share, subscribe. Okay, so I'm just going to leave you to watch this video to the end. Okay.